Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language into which you would like to have the posts translated on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. Tap on Settings at the top of the screen on the right side next to the search bar or search icon. Scroll down to Preferences and click on Language and Region, which is the fifth option. Tap on the second one, language into which you'd like to have post translated. And then you should select the language. And when a checkmark icon appears next to it, it means that you have selected it, and click on the Save button at the top. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.